Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a Flowsint. It's like another open source intelligence tool using like a Flowsint tools for like a graph based investigations. So in our industry, we often find like ourselves like overwhelmed by a data from a numerous sources. You might be tracking a threat actor across like a social media platforms and mapping domain infrastructures for a penetration testing and investigation like a cryptocurrencies and transactions are tied to a ransomware operations or a simply trying to understand how a different pieces of intelligence connect to a reveal the bigger picture of the challenge. It's not finding a data but making a sense of it all. A traditional OSINT tool comes comes to you and go a scripts break like API changes and your investigations. Notes like end up like a scattered across like a spreadsheets and text files and a fragile like a Python scripts that stops like a working at the moment and service like updates like infrastructures also. As you know, the real value of intelligence work is not like collecting a isolated data points, but understanding the relationship between them. Like a domain itself tells you a little bit, but when you can see the domain connections and IP addresses, and IP is tied to an ASN owned by a specific organization, that organization is linked to a social media accounts and those are associated with known as a threat actors. Suddenly you can actionable like intelligence. The problem is that most OSINT tools like forces you to work like a solids. You you run one tool like enumerate like subdomains, another check like who is records, and try to search for a breaches. Then you manually try to piece it all together in your head of makeshift spreadsheet. Now we would like to look. So first of all, what we would like to install in our target thing. So we just need to look like a Docker version and a make version. So these two things is need to be installed. Then we would like to try to install like git clone and paste this flows in it. So I have get this flows in it from here. This the flows in it. So where you can see like exactly like this the graph like a domains or etc things, and you can investigate etc things also. What else you like there? Okay. So we just need to this is as installation. So let's we would like to go here as cd flows in it. Now uh, now just type list minus l. So this all everything uh, make I would like to put go far as sudo make as prod. I have already installed these all those things, so this does not take a much time etc things. So you can look here all those it was installed. If you not yet install, it will take more and lengthy time process also for you. It may take like half an hour to 1 hour. So you just need to visit this targeted just copy this one, come back here, let's open here, closing it. It will try to because I already log in here. I have tried to do one thing. So let me I would like to try to where is this. Yes sir, I just click on this. I try to log out first. So if you don't have an account, you just try to create an account from here. So once you have created account here, just create account, just try to go for as login. Now you just need to put with your email address and password. So you just create like a random, that's all. So you have a login here. Now this is a one activity, so that I would like to show you later furthermore. So first we would like to try to do something else from here. So once we just came here in our frozen it, try to add an investigation. Now we just put here like hmm, I just put like one number. Now let's we would like to ask like we can see here after we just created a new task, we just need to go in our new task, we just need to create a sketch. I just create the same thing. the vulnerability. Now we just need to add your first item. So let's we would like to take here like a global option. So what is like face? A represent a face to a text to a content. Represent a physical address with a geographical content. So uh, if you would like to go like we would like to go a step by step all those things. Okay, like if you have something like a face, enter a face and text value. I would like to put like a just put like a pentester club. I just try to add this. So this is no enriches or fields or something else. It's no have anything else from here. I would like to try to delete this. Just try to continue. Now I would like to add again. So location, street address, city, zip code, latitude and longitude. This I don't know. Let's I would like to put here as I would like to put here as I'm sorry. I just put a random. Sorry. Sorry. It's my bad. 10306. That's it. Now, this will try to do like extract the information. Let's not have any type of enricher. So this is somewhat tricky. I would like to try to delete this. I try to continue. Now I have deleted that one. So you need to give it the longitude and longitude for that one. So identities and entities, like if you want to represent as individual persons with a comprehensive personal information, we need to provide all the information that will collect entire of the social media platforms. You don't need to utilize the Sherlock here also, but Sherlock is also as an inbuilt in this, but that will also gather information. Represent a username or handle or any platforms. Let's organizations. I represent an organization with the detailed business and administration information that will give entire of the dump of the business information also. Communication and contact. Represent a phone number with the country and career informations. Represent an email address. So you can get all the information. So like a social accounts, messaging apps, all those things. If the data is leaked, you can get all the information here. Like let's go for our social accounts. Enter a social accounts username, a display name, profile URL, image URL, bio, locations, all those things if you get this one. So that may going to be give you all those informations to you. Like it will dump all the informations like a security access. So you need to give your security credentials to this client. It will be identify either it will be have the right thing. So it will also have like a malware testings, everything. Now files and documents. Represent a document with the metadata and securities and content informations. Represent a file with the metadata, file type information, that's security. Like you got downloaded any PDF from either like Telegram, either by any other platforms, so you can give the metadatas and everything over there. That will check either that is written with binary, any type of exploits, including with a Python. If you try to exploit it, so recently that was got like in a PDF thing that was exploiting directly. So represent a bank account with the financial and security information. So credit card. So that will give you all the information from here. Leaks. Represent a data leak or a breach with associated with the data. So you can give any type of things that will find in certain type of resources. So first of all, when you go for a penetration testing, you can look here as a domain, a website, or represent an IP address, with the geolocations and IP information. Port web tracker represent a web tracking technologies with the privacy and compliances informations. SSL certificate and DNS records. Website. Let's we would like to provide a domain. Uh, let's when go for a domain. Let's we would like to go for as a website. Uh, Website. Let's we would like to utilize here as trip.com. Let's we would like to go here as https at trip.com. Is active. We would like to type yes in this case. That's all. Then add a website here. So you have added a website here at trip.com. Then try to bring from website to the domain. So it was bring a website to the domain. You can see here at trip.com. So from trip.com to here, what you can look here, domain to IP address. You can see here domain to IP address. We have got it here. So let's this IP address to IP to IP to infos. Let's no, not yet. IP to informations. Let's we would like to IP to ports. So you can do all the pen testing here itself in this flows in it. But sometimes may cannot able to get the vulnerabilities. This is only the drawbacks from this. Now we have got this one. Let's domain to IP. We have got it domain to root domain. Let's see. No, this is domain. This is root domain. Let's we would like to look here. Domain to a subdomains. You can see now it's take a little bit lengthy time process, but that will expand a very big now. Also, let's look here. You can see here there is like a multiple layouts where you need to find all those things, etc things. So you can see here there is like a graph. Which one you need to find? dingy18.ctrip.com. You can look here. You download.ctrip.com. So there is like multiple global.secure.ctrip.com. Anything the targeted domain. So from the domain to etc things you can get all those things in a one shot. You can look here 158 nodes. In these nodes, what we would like to do here as let's account.corporatetravels.com. If you try this one, so this is this one. Let's try this. Upclick flows, no flowing is there. Domain to ASL. Let's try. What's the results we are going to get it out here? So we are not getting in this. This is with a trip.com. There is like an multiple domains is there. Let's we can try this. Domain to website, domain to who is. That's all. So only the limited features is available, but Multigo have a multiple features compared to this one. It's similar work like an Multigo, but need to be improved more. But it's showing itself in the GitHub. We are already improved versions, but it's cannot able to extract the ASN numbers or autonomous numbers or etc things. But In this case, how they have separated for crypto is separate, etc. things is separate, and etc. things is separate. But in Multivo, that will give you as in detail descriptions from where to where. Like in particular organization that will prepare entire of the flowchart and will go further. That's it here. Now, also I have tried here. So this is another thing. So this is like I just tried here as like a try hack me. Let's we would like to look here. So this is entirely the targeted domain or etc. things. You can look here as store.tryhackme.com. I would like to get from here website to a text. You can look here try hack me store. I have got it there information. Uh, Website to web trackers. Let's we would like to look here how this web trackers is going to be work out. No, this is not working out. Website to a links. So there are multiple things you can do it with this a flows in it. That's it here. So guys, you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.